Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, I'll show you how to fix Google account. Your access is restricted. Your account can't access most Google services. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of knowledge and excitement together. To fix the issue where your access is restricted and your account can't access most Google services, follow these steps. If you own the account, you can request access to it again. Sign into your Google account on a browser like Chrome. Alright, now click on Take Steps. Sometimes this will ask you to verify with your phone number or fill up the CAPTCHA. If it is something else, then you have to submit an appeal to Google for a review of the account. Once you have submitted the appeal, Google will let you know within 2 business days. Now I'm able to use my Google account again. Thank you for watching our YouTube video. We hope that you enjoyed the content and found it both informative and engaging. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like this one. Until next time, keep learning, growing, and spreading positivity.